Hello, guys. Good day and welcome to another Learn with Me series on the Light Bar Collection, episode 10. So, this week, what we'll be talking about is how to calculate material you need to buy for your souvenir from the webbing, which is the rope, the big rope, the small rope, and the material you need, even the thread you need to use, how to calculate that. So without no further ado, I will turn the camera right now. Once I turn the camera, I'm going to show you the particular souvenir we are going to calculate. Then I will make some calculation for you on how to, just a simple calculation. I will give you a guide for you to calculate when you want to sew something like that. Even for before you give a client a quotation, you know exactly what you are going to buy, how much you are going to gain for your own work. So I'll be talking about how you can calculate material so you won't buy more than what you need, or maybe below what you need. So guys, stay tuned to watch this video to the end, and if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing. It costs you nothing to subscribe. When you subscribe, don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be one of the first people to get notified when we upload another video, interesting video or tutorial on this channel. Give this video a giant thumbs up after you finish watching it to the end, and leave in the comment section down below what you think of this video. If you have any question, or if you have any other souvenir you want me to help you to do calculation for the particular material you need to buy to get it, I will be glad to do that for you. So without no further ado, let me turn the camera and show you the souvenir, then we'll talk more about it. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you at the other side. So guys, welcome back. This is the particular souvenir we are going to make calculation for, and as you can see, this particular souvenir you are seeing here, the wideness, which is from here, from this particular side to this particular side, is 13, while from here, from this right, which is the front, to the back with plus the bottom, is 27, because initially it's 12, then we say plus the 3 at the bottom here, making 27. So 12 times 2 plus 3 is going to give you 27. Then this side here is 3 inch. From here to here is 3 inch by 9 inch. The height is 9 inch. So, and if you check this bag very well, what do we use? The material, we use a tiny webinar, which is the tipping rope. Then we use the main 1 inch rope. Then we use our magic gum for the closure of the bag. And as you can see, this rope we put here, we put it on both sides, is also on this side. So the first thing you need to do for you to get this, for you to first calculate the material you are going to need. So there are some material that the heights come in 50. It's possible for you to get a material that come in 50. It's possible to get the material that come in 54. It's even possible for you to get a material that come in 45. So it depends on the particular material you are buying to make this particular bag. So if you get the material that is coming in 55, like this particular material comes in 55. So what I did is the 13 inch, I cut the 13 inch from those 55. So probably I got 4 of 13 from that 55, and there are some extra there that are left, some extra inch. I was able to cut my side from there. So what I did to get my calculation to know exact material I need to buy is I start calculating, because a yard of a material is 36. So from 1 yard I calculate how many 27 I'm going to get. I discovered that I'm just going to get probably 1. So, and keep calculating, and I discovered that in 3 yards of this material I'm going to get 427. So we say our length from here to here is 27, which is some of the calculation here. 13 by 27, the bag, the wideness of the bag is 13, why from the front, the bottom to the other side is 27. So I discovered at the end of the day that from 3 yards I'm going to get 4 bags. So 4 bags from 3 yards. Then on the height as well, I said the height of the material is 55, and I was able to get 13 from it, which is also 3 bags. So you have to do that 3 times 4, which is 16. So from this 16 there, you keep calculating that, okay, since you've got 316 now from 3 yards, how many do you need to get 50? Because this bag initially was 50. How many do you need to get 50? So I keep calculating, and I discovered that I need to buy 9 yards of this for me to get 50 bag out of it. So when I did that calculation, and from the side I said there are some inch left, we are going to get our 3 inch. Is even more than, and we can join some to get what we are looking for. So instead of me buying 9 yards, so I added 2 yards to it in case if there's any error or any mistake or from the cutting, and from there we are going to cut all the side of the bag as well. So instead, from there I bought 11 yards. So that's the yard for this particular bag. I bought 11 yard of material. So for me to get what I'm going to buy for this particular one, I bought a roll of this particular material, because a roll is 100 yards. Some are not up to 100 yards, but the handle here is 14. So this handle, this side is 14, this side is 14, which is 14 times 2 is equals to 28, and from ear to ear is also 13, and the other side is 13, and 30 times 2 is equal to is equals to 26. So from there I was able to plus it together. Then I did my calculation for 50. When you want to make 50 bag like this, you are going to cut 100, and this particular side is also going to be 100. So you make those calculations that okay, 14 times 100 or 13 times 100. So that's how I was able to get. Then this particular side, which I tape around from the left to the right, this particular side we didn't tape it, as you can see, because we put our magic gum here. So I was according to the calculation I made as well, some are up to 2 yards. So I used 2 yards of this taping to tape this background, because a yard is 36 and 2 yards is going to give you 60, is going to give you 72. So when you make the calculation, the height of the bag from ear to ear is 27, and from ear to here is 13. Then you make the calculation, you get that it's almost the same 2 yards. So when you buy a roll, you know exactly what you are going to need. So for this magic gum, I actually bought 5 yards, and the 5 yards I didn't even finish using it. I still have, I think, more than a yard left, maybe a yard and quarter left on the magic gum. So that's the calculation for you for these bags. If you have any question, feel free to leave it in the comment section down below, as I will be helping you guys to understand more on how to buy your material, or how to calculate what you need to buy for a particular material. So guys, if you are new to the channel, consider subscribing. It costs you nothing to subscribe. When you subscribe, don't also forget to turn on the post notification bell, so that you'll be one of the first people to get notified when we upload another interesting tutorial or video on this channel. Leave in the comment section down below if you have any question. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next Learn With Me episode. So bye for now.